Introducing the aluminum downspout rain gutter strainer from Hebei Tinfei. Say goodbye to clog the gutters. Our downspout filter prevents leaves, twigs, and debris from blocking your gutters. Installation is a breeze. Fits most gutters in seconds, comfortably accommodating sizes 2 to 3月15日 inches. Crafted from durable, non-corrosive aluminum, our gutter strainers are waterproof and weather-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. And that's not all. With each pack, you get 6克 outer guards and a pair of gloves as accessories. Upgrade your gutter protection today with Hebei Tinfei's aluminum downspout rain gutter strainer. Hebei Tinfei, quality you can trust.